Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss a unique aspect of Singapore's legal system, caning, which is essentially whipping. Caning has a long history in Singapore, dating back to the British colonial era. It was initially introduced as a form of punishment to maintain order and discipline in the colonies. This practice continued even after Singapore gained independence in 1965. Today, caning is still a legally sanctioned form of corporal punishment in Singapore. It is used only for male offenders and is applied for a variety of crimes, ranging from violent offenses to immigration violations. Caning is only used for male offenders and is applied for a variety of crimes, ranging from violent offenses to immigration violations. The legal framework for caning is found in the Criminal Procedure Code and the Penal Code. According to these laws, caning can be ordered by the courts for offenses such as robbery, drug trafficking, and vandalism. However, there are strict regulations on how caning can be administered. Only males between the ages of 18 and 50 can be sentenced to caning. The number of strokes can vary, but the maximum allowed is 24 strokes. Additionally, there are medical assessments to ensure that the offender is fit to undergo the punishment. Caning is only carried out in prisons. The process involves the offender being secured to a frame with their butt exposed. The cane, which is made from rattan, is then applied by trained prison officers. Each stroke is delivered with significant force, causing severe pain and leaving lasting scars. And if you are ever in that position, instead of wincing or screaming every time the cane hits your butt, why not say something meaningful like, "Father, forgive me for I've sinned." Despite its severity, caning is seen by many in Singapore as an effective deterrent against crime. It is also regarded as a swift form of justice, delivering immediate consequences for unlawful behavior. One of the most internationally known cases involving caning in Singapore is that of Michael Fay, an American teenager who was sentenced to caning in 1994. Michael Fay was convicted of vandalism and theft, and his sentence included 6 strokes of the cane. This case attracted significant media attention and diplomatic protests from the United States. Michael Fay's case highlighted the cultural and legal differences between Singapore and the West. Despite intense lobbying by the US government and widespread media coverage, Singapore's government upheld the sentence, emphasizing the importance of maintaining law and order and the deterrent effect of such punishment. The Michael Fay incident underscored Singapore's commitment to its legal principles. While the number of strokes was eventually reduced from 6 to 4, the case demonstrated that the country would not compromise its legal system under international pressure. However, caning is not without its critics. Human rights organizations argue that it is a form of cruel and inhumane punishment. International bodies such as the United Nations have called for its abolition, citing the physical and psychological harm it causes. On the other hand, supporters of caning argue that it is a necessary tool for maintaining law and order in a small, densely populated country like Singapore. They point to the low crime rates as evidence of its effectiveness. Singapore's judiciary ensures that the use of caning is consistent with the rule of law. There are safeguards in place, such as the requirement for judicial oversight and the right to appeal. This helps to ensure that caning is only used in appropriate circumstances and in accordance with legal standards. So while caning remains controversial and a unique aspect of Singapore's legal system, it continues to be an integral part of our approach to crime and punishment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights.